Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Rishita. Have you covered the topics that I told you to do in the previous class?
Not fully, sir.
Okay, let me know if you're not able to understand any topic that I gave you in the last class. I can teach that if you feel any doubt in that.
No doubt from last class, sir.
Okay, please do this. Any answer?
No, sir.
Okay, so will you be able to do it or I should explain it?
Trying, sir.
Okay. Rishita, Siddhika, I'm going to explain. See, Here, energies E1 and E2 is given. E1 is your 25 electron volt and E2 is your 50 electron volt. Now the relation between their wavelength, let's say lambda 1 for this and lambda 2 for E2. Now you know that in terms of lambda, if you have studied Planck's quantum theory, there is a formula E is equal to h nu, and in terms of lambda, it is hc upon lambda. So what I'm going to do, E1 is equal to hc upon lambda 1 and E2 is equal to hc upon lambda 2. Can I write this?
I'm only able to see a chapter 2 sign, like only that page. Structure of atom.
Wait a minute. Are you able to see this screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sorry, wrongly shared that. So again, I'm going to explain. So E1 is given 25 electron volt, E2 is given 50 electron volt. So you have studied Planck's quantum theory, E is equal to h nu, which is equal to hc upon lambda, right? So
Yes, sir.
lambda 1 corresponding to E1 and lambda 2 corresponding to E2. Now E1 is equal to, I can write hc upon lambda 1 and E2 is equal to, I can write hc upon lambda 2. Can I write this? Now what we are going to do, since we need to establish a relation between lambda 1, lambda 2, so I'm going to write E1 upon E2. And E1 is what? 25 and E2, just wait a minute. E1 we can write hc upon lambda 1 and this will be equal to hc upon lambda 2. Now you know that a little bit maths, lambda hc and hc will be cancelled and here we will have lambda 2 upon lambda 1. Now I'm going to put the value only. What is the value of E1? That is 25 electron volt upon E2 50 electron volt. This will be equal to lambda 2 upon lambda 1. Now you can see this can be cancelled by 2 times, right? So what we can write, 1 by 2 is equal to lambda 2 upon lambda 1. So lambda 1 is equal to 2 lambda 2. Or you can write lambda 2 is equal to lambda 1 by 2. Now you can see what is the relation here. Lambda 1 is equal to 2 lambda 2. Lambda 1 is equal to 2 lambda 2. This will be the relation, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Please do write it. Yeah, I'm going to give you more easy questions from NCERT based question I will give you. Yeah, let me know when you are done with this.
Finish, sir.
Very good. Now going to give you very easy question on Rutherford. Everyone done with this? Udeja? Just let me zoom in this question. Very good. Okay. Khudeja, Siddika, Rishita, any answer? So see, I'm going to explain very easy. It is a statement type. Why are you taking time? Khudeja, Siddika, and Rishita. If you're not able to remember this statement, let me know. Which of the following conclusions could not, this should be your priority, could not be derived from Rutherford alpha particle scattering experiment. So if you have studied this Rutherford alpha particle scattering, then you remember that most of the space in an atom is empty. Very good, Fudeza. So this is a correct statement. That means it's derived from the alpha particle scattering experiment. The radius of atom is this much, while that of nucleus is 10 raised to the power minus 15. That is also correct. Very good, Siddhika. Rishita. Electrons and the nucleus are held together by electrostatic force of attraction because in nucleus proton is there, positive charge, and in orbit electron is there, which is negatively charged. But this electron, this is the correct answer, which could not we didn't conclude this statement C from Rutherford alpha particle experiment. Electrons move in a circular path of fixed energy called orbits. This statement is was given by Bohr. Is that clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. Where is that question? Please do this. This statement type question generally a student don't care about it, but these are some basic things that you should always know about this. Very good, Rishita. Uh, we need to go for incorrect statement. Very good, Rishita. Can anyone tell me what is the mass of electron and mass of proton? Very good, Akib. So this is the thing that you should remember. No, no, no. We don't take one mass, Rishita. Mass
Yes.
of electron is equal to 9.1 into 10 raised to the power minus 31 kg, and mass of neutron is equal to 1.67 into 10 raised to the power minus 27 kg. And here in the statement, it has been given, Khudeza, very good, and Siddhika, very good. It has been given that this. So the incorrect statement is this. Always remember that whenever you have questions on a statement type, like if it is given for a statement, that means it is increasing your knowledge. The three statements, whoever don't know came to know about this right now. These statements are correct. So these are very good questions which clear your uh, concept for the theoretical part. So when you get the right answer, like if you are going to look at four options and your mind click for B, don't leave the other three options after getting the right answer. You also need to, you also should read other three statements so that you will be able to conclude that these are the right statements. From this, we can increase our knowledge. Is that clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Very good. The next. Which of the following properties of atom could be explained correctly by Thomson model of an atom? Very good, Khudaja. वहां से ऑन करना फैन फैन वहां से स्विच अरे ये काम नहीं करेगा ना वहां से Oh, very good, Rishita. Very good, Khudaja. Yes, Akib, but you wrote the answer in a way that you have doubt on your answer, right, Akib?
Yes, sir. Not completely.
Okay, so whenever try to give answer with all the confidence, okay? So
Yes, sir.
that's good if you have told me that not confidently. The spectra of hydrogen atom. This is explained by Bohr, not J.J. Thomson. Not J.J. Thomson was the first model of an atom, right? First model of an atom.
Yes, sir.
And then comes your Rutherford experiment, and after that comes your Bohr's, which was most successful. Apart from that, too, position of electron, protons, and neutrons. See, in over could could be explained correctly. So position of electron, proton, and neutron, it was not explained by Thomson. He told us that the atom is just like what we say watermelon. The electrons are just like distributed uniformly, like the seeds of watermelon, and electron and proton are equal, so they are overall neutral. And he also didn't say anything about stability. That's why it was failed. J.J. Thomson failed because he gave you a static model. The atom is at rest, the particles are at rest. So this was the overall problem with J.J. Thomson.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So let's go with a very easy question of all of you know what is isoelectronic species, right? These terms are very important and you should keep in your mind always. Isotopes, everyone knows isotopes. Isobar, isodiphers, neutrons, isoelectronic. Next question. Why atoms are said to be isobar? Very good, Khudeza. Very good, Siddhika. Rishita, are you there? Any answer? I will explain it, okay? So very good, everyone. Akib, see, do you know what is isotopes?
I don't remember completely.
Okay, okay, no problem. Same atomic number, same Z means atomic number, different mass number. Mass number is denoted by A, atomic number denoted by Z. And if you are going for isobars, then it is same mass number, different atomic number. But here it is only given this, which is wrong, because this is your isotopes. And apart from this statement, it is given in terms of proton, neutron, or electron also. So now you can see same mass number, that means number of neutron plus proton, and Z is what? Number of proton. I already told you when we did first question in this, the proton will always be equal to atomic number and equal to electron only in case of neutral atom. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So the correct option, you can see sum of the number of proton and neutron, that means basically atomic number is same, but number of proton, that means Z is different, so the answer is D. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, if you understood what is atomic isotopes, you can easily do this. Please do write this isotopes, isobar. These are very important terms for you according to your exam or anything. Rishita, I think identify the pairs which are not isotopes. Oh, basically, this answer is more than one correct. Okay. The options can be more than one.
Yes, sir.
and you have given the correct answer. First of all, Akib, you need to remember what is isotopes. Isotopes means same atomic number. That means if two elements is there, same atomic number, different mass number. This is your isotopes. This is your isotopes. So if you are going to see it carefully, same atomic number, different mass number, it is an isotope. Same atomic number, different mass number, it is an isotopes. Same mass, see, there is no same atomic number. That's why it is not isotopes. Not same atomic number. That's why it is isotopes. It is not isotopes. Are you getting my point, all of you? Siddhika, Fudeza?
Yes, sir.
Very good. These questions in NEET are very common and in your 11th exam as well. I'm giving you the question which will have more than one correct option.
So in this also there's more than one option.
Yes, yes. Oh, not B and D. I'm going to check it and explain you. Do you know sodium has atomic number 11, but +1 that represents one electron lost. Since atomic number is Z equals to 11, electrons should also be equals to 11, but plus that means it lost one electron, so the number of electron is 10. Now for magnesium, atomic number is 12, you know that, and electrons should also be 12, but +2, that means it lost 2 electrons, so it will be 10. That means both have same number of electrons, so the answer is your A, that is definite. Now Al plus 3, if you are going to see, atomic number Z is equal to 13, and here number of electrons should be 13, but +3, that means it lost 3 electrons, so number of electron is 10. Now oxygen Z is equal to 8, and here number of electrons should be 8, but -1, that means it gained 1 electron, so the number of electron now is 9. So this is the wrong option. Now Na plus, if you are going to see, Z is equal to, you can see number of electron Na plus will have from the previous option 10. Now for oxygen, Z is equal to 8, and number of electrons should be 8, but -2, that means it gained 2 electrons, so 10. Number of electrons same, that means C is the answer. Okay, C is isoelectronic. But if you are going for this, Z is equal to 7, and number of electrons should also be equal to 7, but -3, that means it gained 3 electrons, so it becomes 10. And for chlorine, Z is equal to 17, and electrons should also be equal to 17, but it gained 1 electron, so it becomes 18. So this is also wrong option. So the correct answer is A and C. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Now I'm going to give some questions on what do we say? Planck's quantum theory. Very important topic. Oh, let me know when you are done with this, Rishita. There's Siddhika. Are you done with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please do this question. Very good, Siddhika. The question is very easy. You just need to value of Planck constant is given. Velocity of light is given. Which value is closest to the wavelength in nanometer of a quantum of light with frequency this? That means frequency is given. Okay. So what do you need to do? Very simple. It is calculate the what we can do. Lambda is equal to C by nu. You can use this. Oh, wait a minute. Nu is equal to, we use this. Yes, you can use this. Lambda is equal to C by nu. C value is given. Nu, that means frequency value is also given. So if you are going to use C in meter per second, that is good. And nu in per second is given. So lambda you can calculate easily. But here the lambda should be in nanometer. So whatever lambda that you are going to calculate here, that will be in meter. So convert that into nanometer. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Please do it. Let me know if you are not able to understand it. Any answer, Rakib?
Solving, sir.
Okay, you should not take this much time to solve it. See how you are going to solve it. I gave you the formula. What will be the value of C? C is given 3 into 10 raised to the power 8. Now, nu is also given 8 into 10 raised to the power 15, right? So what you need to do, 3 by 8 into, if this goes up, it will be negative, and here it will be 10 raised to the power minus 7, right? Yes or no? And the answer will be in meter. Now, but this is the value of lambda, but we need to convert this into nanometer. So you know that 1 nanometer equals to 10 raised to the power minus 9 meter. From here to here, it is minus 9. So from here to here, what it will be? 3 by 8 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 into 10 raised to the power 9. Simple. Are you getting my point? From
Yes, sir.
lower unit to greater unit, minus power. So from greater to lower, it will be plus power plus 9. So when you are going to solve it, you will be getting 10 raised to the power plus 2. That means if you are going to solve it, you will get 0.83 is 24, and then 6 at 87 is something into 10 raised to the power 2, or 87 is 56, and 83 is 20, 84 is 32, something like this. So that means 30, what we can write, 0.374 into 10 raised to the power 2 nanometer. This is your. So what we can do, can I write 3.7 into 10 raised to the power 1 nanometer? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 3.74, which is the closest? This one?
4.
D is the answer. Simple. So the calculation is also not that much tough. That's why I told you, you should not take this much time for this question. Please do write it. Let me know when you are done with this. Let me know when you are done with this.
Finished, sir.
Very good. Not on me. Let me know when you get down. When you get down. So very easy question. You just need to play with the formula and the unit. Nothing more than that. For these questions, all of these questions that I have giving you from the NEET PYQs, which is all only based upon Planck's quantum theory. That means E is equal to hc upon lambda, or E is equal to h nu, and the electromagnetic waves nu is equal to c by lambda only. These three formulas, basically only one formula is there from where you can get other formula. What is photon? So basically photon is the carrier of energy. When sunlight incident on a metal surface, that metal surface gets heat energy, or it becomes hot after some time, right? If you're going to stand up in sunlight, what happens? Your body get heat, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So basically this heat comes with the help of photon, carrier of energy, quanta, or small packets of energy, you can say. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
we nothing to do with photon. Basically this is the energy that you are getting. You need to calculate wavelength. That means E is given. You need to calculate this. You know the value of C as well as H. H is Planck's quantum, right? Planck's constant.
Yes, sir.
Let me know if anyone gets the answer.
Calculating, sir.
Okay. Siddhika, Rishita, any answer? Very good, Siddhika. Very good, Rishita. I'll keep waiting for you only. Please do this. Sir, I am getting. Yeah, that is 10 raised to the power -7 it will be, not 10 raised to the power 7.
Yes, sir. -7.
-7, that means it is almost equal to 656. Okay, this will be in meter,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
When you are going to convert this with 10 raised to the power 9, see, this is what you get, 6.65 into 56 into 10 raised to the power -7 meter. If you are going to convert this into nanometer, 10 raised to the power 9. So what you will get, 6.56 into 10 raised to the power +2. That means 656 nanometer. So the answer is this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Oh, very good, Rishita. So can I change the slide? This question is very easy and theoretical. The next question. Very good, Siddhika. Let me know option B. For what option B, please? I have given two questions. 9B. Very good, Siddhika. 8, you have given the correct answer. Rishita 8 correct, 9 correct. Rishita 9th correct, and question number 9B. Okay, okay. Akib. What about question number 8, Akib?
Done, sir.
8, question number 8, what is the answer? Akib, what is the answer for question number 8?
Sir, option C.
Yes, yes, very good. And let me know about the question number 10. Very good, Rishita. Any answer? Please write the answer with the question, because I have given two questions, Siddhika and Akib. Very good, Rishita. 10th B. Sir, I don't know question of 10th. Okay. 10th is say which of the following is never true for cathode rays? They are electromagnetic waves. Cathode rays are basically kinetic energy. They possess kinetic energy. They produce heat. They produce mechanical support. But cathode rays, they are from electron, and they are not electromagnetic. They are electromagnetic waves, which is not true. Very good. The next one is correct. Everyone has given the correct answer for the next. Now moving towards Bohr's theory, which is very, it is also based upon formulas. Very easy it is. Let me know about this question. Any answer for this question number 14?
No, sir.
Okay, I'm going to explain this if you are not able to solve this. The energy of second Bohr orbit, you know that second Bohr orbit means what? N is equal to 2. Orbit of the hydrogen atom is this kilojoule per mole. Hence the energy of fourth Bohr orbit they are asking. Okay. For second Bohr orbit, it is given. So what we are going to do, calculate the delta E. And if you remember, do you know the delta E has a formula minus 13.6 Z square 1 upon N1 square minus 1 upon N2 square. Have you studied this formula? Yes or no? Have you studied this formula? Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what I'm going to do, this is very easy. If you haven't studied, you have studied this formula. The Z square upon N square electron volt. I just did one thing N1 and N2. I took the differences between two orbit of energy. Now what I'm going to do, very simple for this question. Now En can be written as E1 into Z upon N whole square. Can I write this yes or no? First orbit. For the first orbit, this I can write. So E2 can I write? E2 will be equal to E1 upon 2 square because Z is same. Basically, Z is same. So that's why 2 square because this is for second orbit. This is for second orbit, which has a value that is given minus 328 kilojoule per mole. You can say if you don't understand what you need to do, very simple. Z has a value 1 because it is for hydrogen atom. So what you will get E1 into 1 upon 2 whole square. That means we can write this yes or no. So from here you can calculate E2. For E2, what you need to do, sorry, E4 can be written as E1 upon 4 square. E3 can be written as E1 upon 3 square. That's why, since in the question it has been given E4, that's why I wrote this. Now you know that E1, E2 is given as 3 to 8 kilojoule per mole. So what we need to do is just divide this, take the ratio E4 upon E2. That will be equal to what we can write, this and this will be cancelled, and this will be 4 square upon 2 square. That means we can write 1 upon 4, yes or no? And we need to calculate E4. So E4 will be equal to E2 into 1 by 4. And you know that E2 is given 3 to 8 negative upon 4. So what will be the answer? Negative will be there. 4 8 is 32, 4 2 is 8 kilojoule per mole. Let me know if you still didn't get it. So the answer will be B. Akib, if you didn't get it, let me know. Rishita and Siddhika.
Sir, how come the 16 divided by 4 is 1 by 4? It should be 4, right?
Sorry, wait a minute. Yes. No, I did a mistake. That is, if I'm going to do E4 upon E2. I did this E4 upon E2. Just wait a minute. Little maths. E4, that is equal to 1 upon 4 square. And this is 2 square. Okay, got it. So E4 is E1 upon 4 whole square, and E2 is what? E1 upon 2 square, right? So this will go up. I did the mistake directly. So 2 square upon 4 square, right? So we can write 1 by 4, right? Have you got it now?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
this was the little. Thank you for correcting me. Let me know when you are done with this. Siddhika, if you haven't got it, Rishita, any one of you, just let me know. I'll explain it. Very good question it is. Very good question it is.
Finish, sir.
Very good. Please do this question. The chapter is lengthy but very easy. Formula based question. Let me know when you are done with this. Very easy question. If you know the relation between total energy and kinetic energy. Any answer? See, I'm going to tell you the relation between these two. Total energy is E, which is equal to kinetic energy. Only the modulus, the magnitude will be equal. This will be in negative and this will be always in positive. Kinetic energy cannot be negative. Always remember that. And if you are going to go for potential energy, potential is double of total energy. And potential energy can be written double of kinetic energy. And you know that, very good. You know that this is positive and this is negative. So whatever is the value, this will be in negative. That means I want to tell you is that potential energy and total energy will be in negative. Kinetic energy will be equal to total energy. This will be in positive, this will be in negative. And potential energy will be double of total energy. That means potential energy will also be double of kinetic energy, because kinetic energy and total energy are equal, only sign changes. So you can see hydrogen first excited state, that means second orbit. If someone will ask you third excited state, that means the answer is fourth orbit. Third excited state, you just need to extend. If someone will ask you fifth excited state, that means n is equal to 6. And ground state means n is equal to, ground state means n is equal to 1. So you can see the first excited state, that means second orbit, n is equal to 2, has a orbit which has energy minus 3.4 electron volt. So they are asking kinetic energy in that orbit. So what I told you, they will be equal in magnitude. If this is negative, this will be positive. And I told you kinetic energy cannot be negative. It will be always positive, because this has a formula half into m into v square. Now you know that mass can never be negative. It will be always positive. 1/2 is a number which is positive. Velocity can be negative and positive. If it is positive, a square of positive will give you positive, and a square of negative will also give you positive. That's why kinetic energy cannot be negative, and hence the answer is 1A. I think it's clear to all of you, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Can I change the slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Moving to the next question. Let me know when you are done with this. Let me know when you are done with this. Okay, very easy question. According to Bohr's theory, the energy required for an electron in the Li+2 ion to be emitted from n is equal to 2 state is. And that means you need to calculate the energy in the second orbit, right? Second orbit of lithium ion.
Yes.
E is equal to, you know, that minus 13.6 Z square upon n square electron volt. So lithium has atomic number, you know, and n is what 2 that is given. So you just need to apply this formula, you will get the answer. And energy required for an element to be emitted. So an answer will come in negative, but it will be positive because emission takes place. Energy required will be in positive because it will absorb energy. Very good, both of you, Siddhika and Rishita. So you can see it will be minus 13.6 Z square. That means hydrogen, helium, lithium, 3 square upon 2 square. So it will be minus 30.6 electron volt. And here you need to calculate energy required. That means from 0 to minus 30.6, it will be plus 30.6. This is it. So please revise all the chapter in the next class so that I will be able to give questions on different topics of all the topics from this chapter.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this is it for today. I'll see you in the next class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.